This episode is all about protecting you. And what I mean by this, the Human Rights Commission oversees any violation of the Human Rights Code which protects groups and individuals against discrimination to access housing based on various characteristics. If you deny somebody based on a protected characteristic, they can lodge a complaint against you at the Commission. An officer will be assigned to the case, and you'll be required to go to court, or they will assign a mediator and attempt to settle out of court. Well, what does settle out of court mean? You guessed it, you're going to have to pay a monetary settlement for damages. Or you could hire a lawyer and fight it, assuming you haven't actually violated someone's rights. Either way, if that sounds expensive, it's because it is expensive. So what is a protected characteristic with respect to housing? Here's a short list, but I'd encourage you to go to their website for more information. Age. This means you cannot screen out a bunch of 18-year-old partying roommates that apply to your high-end rental. Family status. This means you can't advertise or screen out people with kids. Social disadvantage. You can't deny somebody simply because they're on employment and income assistance. I'll quote from the Act. It is illegal for a landlord, rental agent, or a tenant who sublets to refuse to rent to someone on the basis of a protected characteristic. And discrimination includes failing to reasonably accommodate special needs that are based on protected characteristics, such as a disability. And finally, discrimination in advertisements is prohibited, including signs or ads about apartments for rent. This last point means you can't say in your ad, no students, or must be employed, or wanting only families with children. You get the idea. And if you find out they've been recently convicted of a murder charge, you still have to accept them as a tenant, assuming they meet all of the other criteria, of course. It's a pretty emotional topic and probably one a bit too heavy for a 2-minute video. So I'll put it out there. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to discuss with you privately. This information is also available on the Human Rights Commission website, but feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching today.